Good morning. So welcome to this e-learning session of Python programming. In the previous session, I have introduced what is the Python programming and how we are going to download the Python installer and how we are going to install the Python software in our system. And along with, we have also learned that what is the various modes, working mode in the Python programming, like so that is what first mode was interactive, in which user gives a particular single command, and after the command execution, Python returns with the output. And second mode was the scripting mode, where user writes the multiple line of code at once and then Python executes the code. So there were two modes in the Python. So today we will learn about the Python fundamentals or features of Python. We can say what are the various features of Python programming language. So let's start this today's session. So first we have to see what's a token. So the fundamental and smallest unit of a program is a token. So in the Python there are 5 categories in token. First one is keywords, second is identifiers, third is literals, fourth one is operators, and fifth one is punctuators. So we will see each token one by one. So let's start. Keywords. So keywords, identifiers, these all are defined in every programming language like C, C++, Java. So in Python, what is the keywords? So keywords are the reserved words and have special meaning for Python interpreter. Every keyword is assigned specific work and it can be used only for that purpose. Okay, so keywords क्या होते हैं? Keywords एक reserved words हैं जो जिनकी एक स्पेशल मीनिंग है, स्पेशल टास्क है, जो किसको पता होता है? पाइथन इंटरप्रेटर, जो पाइथन की कोड को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. सो एवरी कीवर्ड इज हैविंग अ पर्टिकुलर वर्क और टास्क, बट कीवर्ड्स कांट बी द आइडेंटिफायर्स. आइडेंटिफायर्स क्या होते हैं हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. जो कीवर्ड्स है वो आइडेंटिफायर नहीं हो सकते हैं. सो सम ऑफ द कीवर्ड्स इन द पाइथन इज हैविंग गिवन बिलो. यहाँ पे आपको दिए हुए हैं कुछ पाइथन में जो कीवर्ड्स लाइक एंड, व्हाइल, DL, फ्रॉम, नॉट, एलिफ. एलिफ यूज करते हैं, एल्स इफ को मिक्स करके एलिफ हो गया. इफ, एक्सेप्ट, इंपोर्ट, प्रिंट, इनपुट फंक्शन इज आल्सो देयर. सो दीज ऑल आर द keywords. Okay, like DEF for defining a function like DEF. So these are keywords in the Python programming language. Next is identifiers. Now what is identifiers? Which identifies the variables, object, classes and functions. By name we can guess it is for identification. Okay, so what is identifiers? Identifiers are the names which are given to the different parts of the program like वेरिएबल्स, ऑब्जेक्ट, क्लासेस और फंक्शन. तो आइडेंटिफायर्स क्या है? एक पहचान करने की, एक पहचान करता चीज है जो वेरिएबल्स को, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, क्लासेस को, फंक्शंस को नेम्स दिए जाते हैं. ओके, उनको बोलते हैं आइडेंटिफायर्स. नाउ वेरियस नेमिंग रूल इज देयर फॉर आइडेंटिफायर. जब हम आइडेंटिफायर हम कोई बनाते हैं, उनका नेमिंग करते हैं, तो कुछ रूल्स हैं वो हम पढ़ लेते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, आइडेंटिफायर इज ए आर्बिट्ररी लॉन्ग सीक्वेंस ऑफ लेटर्स एंड डिजिट. ओके, so it's a combination or sequence of letters and digits. The first character must be letter or underscore. While you are giving a name for the identifier, the first character should be a letter or underscore. It can't be a digit, it can't be a number. Okay, next, upper and lower cases are different. Python is a case sensitive language, which means it will treat uppercase and lower case, both letters, in different way. If you are writing capital A and if you are writing small a, both are different because Python is a case sensitive. Next, the digits 0 to 9 are allowed except for first character. As I mentioned earlier, that in the first character it should be a letter or underscore. It can't be a digit. Okay. Next, it must not be a keyword. So identifier can't be a keyword. So these are all our keywords. So these all keywords can't be identifiers. Okay. Next, no special characters are allowed other than underscore. only underscore as a special character is allowed in identifier. Space is not allowed. Okay, so while you are giving a name for the identifier, you user cannot allot a space. Okay, so there are some examples for valid identifiers. So its first example is my file is okay because first character is a letter and there is no space. Okay, second is underscore file, it's also a valid identifier. Next is no2ab, it is also valid. Now there are some examples of invalid identifiers. First one is 2no. Why it is invalid? Because first character is digit. Second is na space me, it's also invalid. Why? Because space is not allowed. Third is ch-12, it is also invalid. Why? Because only underscore special character is allowed. Okay, so that's why it is invalid. Next is literals, or you can say values, fixed values. So what are literals? So literals are data items that have a fixed value. Okay, so Python supports several kind of literals like string, numeric, boolean, special literal like none, and there are some literal collection. Okay, so first one is string literals. So what is a string literal? So it is what is basically a string? So a string is a collection of characters which are enclosed in double or single quotation. So if you are having the combination or collection of characters which are enclosed in single quote or double quotes, so it is a string. Now there are some example of string literals like Python 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's a number, but if you enclose this number in a single quote or double quote, it will become a string. Okay, so that's a very interesting fact. Next is hello everyone, it's again a particular string, and space, that space will be counted as the length of the string. In the part of the while we are calculating the length of the string, the space will also be counted. The size of the string is determined by the length function. If you want to calculate the length of the function or size of the string by some function, so that function is len. So suppose they have name, the string is identifier is name and the value is literal value is Rajesh. So if you want to find the size of the particular string, so the answer is 6, because how many number of characters is there? 6. So length will be 6. Okay, we will do while we'll do the programming, we will do that thing also. Next is numeric literals. So what is numeric literals? Numeric literals in Python belong to any of the following numeric types. First one is integer literals. So what is integer literals? It contains at least one digit and must not contain any decimal point. So integer literals क्या होते हैं? जिसमें कम से कम एक डिजिट हो और कोई भी डेसिमल या फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू ना हो. So integer literals may contain plus or minus sign. Okay. Next is floating point. Floating point, also known as real literals. Real literals are numbers having fractional parts. So suppose I am writing 12. So 12 is an integer literal. If I am writing 12.5, so it's a floating, which is having the fractional part. So it is represented in two forms, fractional form or exponent form. So numeric values with commas are not considered for float or integer or float value. Python treats them as a tuple. यदि हम कुछ values लिख रहे हैं 10, 20, 30, so Python will treat them as a tuple, जो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. Tuple क्या होता है? Okay, user can check the type of literal using type function. यदि हमको पता करना है कि ये जो value है या कोई जो literal है किस type का है, या string है, numeric है, integer है, float है, क्या है? So we can found the type of literal using which function? Type function. Okay, we will see. हम एक बार जब हमको practical करेंगे वो हम देखेंगे. Okay, so this is a snapshot of the Python programming which we have done. So first we have just write the command a is equals to 10. तो असाइनमेंट हो गया, 10 वैल्यू a को असाइन हो गया. देन वी हैव रिटन b इक्वल्स टू 10.5. देन प्रिंट a, तो a को प्रिंट किया तो a की वैल्यू आ गया 10, b को प्रिंट किया 10.5 आ गया. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव रिटन c इक्वल्स टू रेलवे. उसके बाद हमने प्रिंट किया c को, तो c में क्या वैल्यू आ गया? रेलवे. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट हमने टाइप फाइंड करने के लिए क्या टाइप कमांड यूज किया. सो प्रिंट फंक्शन क्या यूज करते हैं हम? आउटपुट के लिए. हम आगे पढ़ेंगे इनपुट के लिए इनपुट और आउटपुट प्रिंट कराने के लिए हम कौन सा फंक्शन यूज करते हैं पाइथन में? प्रिंट. सो प्रिंट एंड देन वी वांट टू प्रिंट द टाइप ऑफ ए क्या है, ए में कौन सी वैल्यू आ रही है 10, तो 10 का टाइप क्या हो गया इंटीजर। देन वी वांट, फिर हमने बी का टाइप फाइंड किया, बी में कौन सी वैल्यू आ रही है 10.5, तो टाइप ऑफ बी विल बी फ्लोट। देन सी में कोटेशन वाली वैल्यू आ रही है रेलवे, तो सी का टाइप क्या हो गया स्ट्रिंग, तो स्ट्रिंग को यहाँ पे क्या डिनोट करते हैं str। नेक्स्ट डी में हमने लिखा है 148, फिर हमने इसका टाइप फाइंड किया तो क्या आ गया टपल। तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये मल्टीपल वैल्यूज है कॉमा के साथ, तो पाइथन को कैसे ट्रीट करता है एज ए टपल। सो आई होप आपको आज का सेशन काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा। इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल सी द लाइव प्रोग्रामिंग ऑफ पाइथन, और जो भी हमने किया है वो हम प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे। एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे सेशन, थैंक यू।